In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your library in Zotero. Whether you're starting a fresh research project or cleaning up an existing collection, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to get reliable entries into your library. First, open Zotero on your computer. When it loads, you'll notice three key areas: collections on the left, your items in the middle, and detailed fields on the right. That layout is important because you'll use the top toolbar to create new entries and the right pane to review and refine their details. To add something manually, click the New Item button in the toolbar. A menu appears asking what kind of source you're creating. Choose the type that best matches your material: book, journal article, document, and many more. The type matters because Zotero adjusts the fields to fit what that source normally includes. For example, books will surface publisher and place, while journal articles focus on journal title, volume, issue, and DOI. If you're not completely certain, pick the closest match. You can switch the type later and Zotero will rearrange the fields accordingly. Once you select a type, Zotero creates a blank entry in your library. On the right, you'll see fields ready for details like title, authors, date, and more. Think of this as a clean template for your source. Entering accurate information here pays off later when you're generating citations and bibliographies because good metadata means fewer edits down the line. A helpful habit is to double-check spellings, author order, and edition numbers so your citations come out correctly formatted. If you want an even faster option, you can also add an item by identifier. Look for the magic wand style button in the toolbar. Click it and enter a precise identifier, such as a DOI for an article, an ISBN for a book, a PMID for a medical paper, or an RxIV ID for a preprint. Zotero will fetch the record online and fill in the bibliographic details for you. Make sure the identifier is complete and correctly formatted, and give Zotero a moment to retrieve the data. If the lookup doesn't return what you expect, check for typos or try a different valid identifier. That's the process in a nutshell. Open Zotero, create a new item, choose the correct type, or use an identifier to pull in details automatically. With these options, you can build a clean, searchable library quickly and confidently, setting yourself up for smooth citing and sharing later on.